Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have Moro de Gandules, Daisy style. So as you guys know, we'll put a link here for the video of our trip to New York. And we went to late night run to Daisy's house. No, it was the next day. They were trying to get me to forget about the drama. And Daisy, they made a barbecue and Daisy made rice. And I saw her making her rice, not in one of these. She's, American now, and she was using one of these. So I said, well, I got one of these and we'll make a Moro de Gandules and see if it comes out as good as Daisy's. So here we are. What do we need for Moro de Gandules? Simple, 2 cups of rinsed rice. And you guys know from our previous videos, we use this jarrón from Santo Domingo. Pigeon beans, gandules. And then I have 1 tablespoon of adobo, 1 tablespoon total seasoning, 1 tablespoon oregano, 4 crushed garlic cloves, some jamón seasoning, and 2 tablespoons of sofrito. If you guys want to see sofrito video, let us know because Triple M will make one on camera if she's not too shy. A can of tomato sauce, half a medium-sized white onion, 1 packet of culantro achiote, 1 chicken bouillon cube, which is sopita in Santo Domingo, or in Spanish, caldo de pollo. That's it. So we'll get to cooking on this side, and we'll be right back. First things first, I'll get a few tablespoons of olive oil on the bottom of my skillet that I've already been preheated. Triple M said, that's hot. I said, yeah, we're about to get ready to cook. And to that, I'll add the onions and saute that off. Once we get color, we'll come right back. She's recording because why?
Because I can smell garlic.
She can smell it cooking, so she started to record as I continue to get things ready. What you guys don't see is all the things we do behind the camera, like get the plates ready, the thumbnail picture, all the other things that you guys don't see. So she's recording for that. So the onions are sweating off. And I think I'm gonna add my sofrito now. And I'm gonna let that go for a second. And then I'll add the garlic next.
Smells good.
It smells good already. Sofrito's been going for about a minute, literally. I'm gonna add my garlic. And what's our saying with the garlic? As soon as you smell it, we're done. Mm-hmm. So as soon as you smell it over there, you tell me. Deal? It already smells good.
I know.
Only thing missing is Daisy and Justo on the grill.
Yeah, that chicken was good.
You tell me when you can smell it.
Yeah?
You smell it? Mm-hmm. Now I'm going to add in my
culantro y achiote.
Culantro achiote for the color. And my
Gandules.
I want to cook these beans and season them up. I'll add my rest of the seasoning here, but I want to get this going for a few. It smells good already, right?
Yeah, it smells very good.
And while we're here, we're going to add our seasoning, yes? Mm-hmm. Which consists of the total seasoning, adobo, oregano, jamón flavoring, and una
caldo de pollo.
The whole one.
The whole thing, yes.
Marcus, I know you're gonna try this. Cheap. Don't be cheap, Marcus.
Smells so good. I'm hungry now.
And she's like, I don't want to do our diet. Yeah, you're not gonna have rice?
Well, that smells good. I gotta try it.
Just for the video, you're gonna taste it.
Yeah.
Want to come get closer with that one so you can see the inside? Yeah. It smells really, 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 really good. Look at that.
Good.
Looks good?
It smells even better.
The gandules and all the seasonings are all incorporated. I'm going to get my rice in there now. And everyone does this different. Right? Everyone cooks rice differently, right?
Yes.
How many cups of water I'm gonna do?
All depend how many cups of rice you
I did 2 cups of rice. So how many cups of water am I gonna do?
2.5.
2.5?
Yeah, usually people do it 1 extra, but then it's get too
Mushy.
and I don't like it.
So 2.5. There's 1.
You can do 3/4.
2 3/4.
Because remember, the Gandules had water in it, so that's
2 and a half.
Yeah, 2.5 because it had
Liquid.
The Gandules have water.
Now I'm gonna give this a stir. And then I'm gonna wait for it to boil.
Yeah, I want to taste it for salt.
When the liquid evaporates, that's when we cover.
For 15 to 20 minutes. Everybody does it different.
I go 27 minutes, but in this pot.
I do 20 minutes in that pot.
This, yeah, she does con con. I never do con con. So I'll show you when this is percolating. I mentioned it earlier. I saw Daisy, she had a can of tomato sauce. I have no clue if she put the tomato sauce in the rice, but I was checking out what she was doing. So I saw it, I'm adding it. So I almost forgot to add it, I'm gonna add it. I always forget something. This is welcome to Michael's Kitchen. House of garlic and forgetting stuff.
Yeah, because you're making it your way. You saw it, because I usually don't put tomato paste, tomato sauce on my Gandules. I only do when red beans.
Well, it's funny because she'll comment and she'll let us know. You know, le puse salsa de tomate. I saw the can, it's going in there. Maybe that can was 2 days old. It's going in there now. This is the goal. We're trying to get this to boil, simmer out all the liquid, and then we'll cover it when the liquid's all gone, but the rice is still moist. It's getting thick. It's perfect. It's coming out good.
Yeah.
Just wanted to give you an update. This is where we were on the steps. We're getting there, guys. Look, the liquid's gone. The rice is doubled in size. We're almost ready to cover. Actually, maybe I think we're ready to cover.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right. We'll see you in, she's saying 20. I'm saying 25. Maybe we'll call Daisy and see what she says. We'll see you in a few minutes. Cover and relax. We'll be back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes have passed. Alexa just rang. We're gonna check. I think 25, she thinks
20.
it smells good. That much I can tell you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, and we got con con.
Is it ready?
I like toss the rice. The color's perfect. Oh yeah. Let's see what we're working with. Can I taste?
Sure.
It's ready. We'll serve here in a sec. Okay, it's ready. Okay, I'll serve some and not be selfish. Carolyn, we're bringing you some. Triple M already said, don't forget we gotta get some for Carolyn. Carolyn loves our rice. And Brandon was talking about rice last night. Maybe we'll text Brandon.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because that's a lot of rice for us. We are on a diet.
We are?
Yes.
How about that? Is that good? Should I get some con cones here?
Yeah.
Con con is the burnt rice we tell you guys about. Alicia calls it burnt rice.
Calls it burnt rice.
And that's perfect con con.
Oh yeah, look at the color.
Hi, Daisy.
Pobre paya.
Well, I already tasted it, but to see what's ready. But now I'm gonna go in for a real taste. Make sure I get the beans. It's a little warm. Winner, winner. More than Gandules dinner. If brunching, you gotta come.
I gotta go over there.
It's good.
Hi.
It's good.
It is good.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, you're not gonna tell me I already tasted.
Guys, if you like the video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make, and subscribe for more. That said,
a buen tiempo.
See you next Friday, guys.
Oh, baby, con con is good.
It's good.
It's crunchy.
Con con's good. Hi, Daisy.
Ay, mamá. La dieta.
Bye, people.
Oh, that's good. Oh, baby.